biggest lie we tell ourselves is, I'll start when I get that raise, or I'll start when things get cheaper. Well, a 2 liter of milk is heading towards 40 Rand and bread isn't getting cheaper. If you wait for a raise, you're stuck in a trap. You don't need 10,000 Rand to be an investor. On EasyEquities, you can start with 100 Rand you were going to spend on a takeaway in any case. Every month you wait, you're letting compound interest work for someone else. Start now, even if it's small. Someone down the line might have told you to keep your money in a savings account, but with the prime lending rate at 10.25%, your savings account might look like it's doing something, but inflation is at 3.5%. Once you factor in that tax you pay on that interest, that's unless you are earning under the 99,000 Rand tax-free threshold, your real return is basically peanuts. A savings account is for an emergency. An investment account is for wealth. You need your money to work harder than a 10.25% interest rate just to stay ahead. Don't put all your eggs in one basket or all your meat on one side of the grid. Think of an exchange-traded fund like a Braai Pack. If you buy just one stock and that company flops, your whole dinner is burned. But an ETF lets you own a tiny piece of hundreds of companies at once. You've got your tech, your retail, your mining. If the steak is stuffed, the boerewors carries the meal. This is how smart investors sleep at night while the market is moving. In 2026, the government gave us a massive win. The tax-free savings account limit is now 46,000 Rand a year. If you aren't maxing this out, that's around 3,833 Rand per month. You are literally donating money to SARS. In a TFSA, your dividends and capital gains are 100% yours. But listen, do not over-contribute. If you go 1 Rand over that 46,000 annual limit, SARS will slap you with a 40% penalty on the excess. That's not a fine, that's robbery. Know your limits. The Rand is sitting around 16.50 to the dollar right now. If all your wealth is in South African Rands, you're losing purchasing power every time you buy an iPhone or you pay for your Netflix subscription. Investing globally isn't for the elite, it's a necessity for survival. Use your apps to buy US stocks. If you're giving Netflix your money every month for a subscription, why aren't you taking some of the profit as a shareholder? Own what you consume. Then, stop trying to time the market. You aren't going to find the perfect bottom just now. What actually works is the Rand cost averaging. Put in a fixed amount every month, rain or shine, load shedding or not. Over a 10-year view, the market's bad days become tiny blips on a massive upward trend. Boring wins the race at the end of the day. Consistency is your superpower. In the next video, I'm opening my EasyEquities app and showing you exactly what I'll be buying if I was a beginner in this 2026 market.